friends. So yesterday our focus was on quadrilaterals. Today we're going to talk about polygons, okay? So there's two different types of polygons. We have regular polygons and irregular polygons. So a polygon is any closed plane figure that has three or more sides. So you can't have a closed figure if it only has two sides. That's just an angle, okay? So a polygon is a figure with three or more sides, and that more can stretch out to however many sides that it has, okay? So looking at a regular polygon, you'll notice that these look like the shapes that you normally see. That's why they're called regular. So we have a triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. So how many sides or angles do you see on a triangle? 3. So a regular triangle has 3 sides. But if you look over here, this is also a triangle, but this is irregular. The reason that makes this irregular than this triangle over here that is regular is that regular polygons have sides that are equal, or their angles are equal, okay? So all of them have equal sides, or all of them have equal angles. So if you notice over here with my triangle, this side right here does not equal the bottom and the top. So that's what makes it irregular. So same thing with my square. This is what you would normally see and think of when you think of a square. But this is also a square, okay? A quadrilateral. Here is my pentagon. Normal, 5, looks just like a pentagon, like a little house that you're used to. But over here, this is also a pentagon. We have 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you remember, a vertices is where the angles, or where the angle is, where the two sides meet. That is a vertices. So sometimes, I know I'll say it, and you'll probably hear it, is count the sides to figure out the polygon. But sometimes you can't, it's hard. Let's see one of these, like this one right here, how I have it, thank you. How I have it drawn, you can't really see that that's a side to be an octagon. So if I count my vertices, which is my points, then I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that that is an octagon. So even though the shape doesn't look like what you're used to, it is still that title, okay? So we have a few polygons that you're going to see when we do our hierarchy, all right? They are the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, which is 5, hexagon, which is 6. Then we'll have 7. I don't have it drawn up here, but 7 is a septagon. Then I have an octagon, which is 8. A nonagon is 9. And if it has 10 sides, and these are pretty hard to draw, 10 sides, trying to get back to the camera, 10 sides, it is a decagon. And then it goes up and up to however many sides it has. And you can do some research on that if you really are interested in what shapes are called and how many sides that they have. So what you're going to do is there's a few more activities to go with this, a few more videos and anchor charts. Remember, a good thing to do is that when we have anchor charts, choose one of the ones that I put on there that you like and put into your notebook to easily go back and review. So, think about today. Review. Polygons are shapes with 3 or more sides. We have regular polygons. Regular polygons have equal sides and equal angles. Irregular polygons are still polygons, but they do not have equal sides or angles. So as you can see, this is a pentagon with 5 sides and angles. This is also a pentagon with 5 sides and angles, and that is a minion, okay? All right, guys, I love y'all.
It's an ice cream minion.
Have fun.